Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have a collection video. I'm going to share my Indian gold jewelry with you guys. I don't have a huge collection. I have very small collection. I used to have some more pieces, but I don't have now because I sold them in a pawn shop here in the US. I was not using them, so I decided to sell them. So here are the small collection you can see, and I'm going to wear them and show them to you guys. And also I have this weighing machine, you can see. I'm going to weigh each piece and I'm going to tell you the weight of each piece. So I'm going to start with my rings. I have only 2 rings. I don't think you can see it clearly, but this is a rose ring, and I got this ring from Khimji, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. And there is another ring. This is also from the same store, which is Khimji, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. And this has some minakari work, you can see in the middle and on the side. And this has nothing, just gold. And these are all 22 karat gold, by the way. So both of my rings weigh 3 grams each. Next I have this one. These are bangles, and you can see the brand I was talking about, which is Khimji. And these are all pure gold bangles with some minakari work. So pretty. And these are in the size 2.5 and they weigh 47.740 grams. And I wear these all the time, these gold bangles, but these are not pure gold. It has bronze, and on top of that it has gold. So this is gold plated, not entirely gold, and I wear them all the time, these two. Next I have this box from Tanishq, and I have 2 bangles. And these are pure gold again, no bronze in them, pure gold. And this is how they look like. These are great for daily use, and you can easily wear them with Indian and Western both. And this is how they look like. Very simple design. And let me weigh them and tell you guys the weight. So they weigh 26 grams. Next I have a diamond earring, and these are 18 karat gold with diamond, and these are from Nakshatra, I think. Is it Nakshatra, or in Odia we call Nakshatra, but I think in Hindi you guys called Nakshatra. Very small dainty diamond earring, and they have 0.5 carat of diamond, small diamond together, 0.5 carat. And the backing is gold, which is 18 carat, and this is the backing. You can see the post also gold, 18 karat gold. Yeah, these are very small earrings, and let me show you how they look on the ear. And this is how it looks. Next I have this chain, which is just a simple chain But I'm going to exchange it when I'm going to go India next time. You can see the links are like crooked. You can see they are not in good shape. I don't think you can see, but yeah, can you see that? So when I'm going to go India, I'm going to exchange this. This is a very simple chain, just a chain which is I think 20 inches or something, and this way 13 grams. Next I have this piece. This box is from Kimchi, but the item is not from Kimchi. I got this one from California when we used to live in California during 2008-9 I think, or 2007. I don't remember exactly when we used to live there, but this I got from California, and this is how it looks like. This is a necklace. I think this is called Y necklace if I am not wrong. There you go. And it comes with earring set. I love this piece. I'm going to wear them together, earring and necklace, and they weigh 26 grams. And this is how they look like together. Here is the earrings and here is the necklace. Can you see that? There you go. Next I have this pendant. This is from Tanishq. I used to have some more pendant and earring sets, but since I was not wearing them here, I sold them in a pawn shop. Pawn shop is where you take your old gold and silver and antiques and you sell them there. And guys, you can't believe what I did with that money. Whatever I got from selling those gold, I bought shoes with that money. Can you believe that? Since I was not wearing them, I thought why not selling them and buying something which I'm going to wear. So I decided to sell those and I got shoes. So last but not the least comes in this box, and this was from Kimchi again, Kimchi Odisha. And you can see here is my set, and here is the necklace, and this is a thread, by the way. The gold starts from here, and this is how it looks like. It has meenakari work. Oh wait, I'm showing you the back side. Here you go. This is the front side, and it has some ruby and emerald beads, and in the middle there is one ruby, and all these are meenakari work. I love this piece. I don't think the camera is doing justice, but if you see with your eyes, it's so pretty. I just love this set. You can't see the detailed work, but it's so pretty. And here are the earrings. It matches the pendant part of the necklace. And let me wear them for you guys. I'm going to take out the thread and wear this one. And this weighs 39 grams. So this one is the heaviest among all the items I showed you. And let me put the thread on, and I'm going to show you guys how it looks on the neck and on the ear. And you can wear it near to your neck and also a little bit down if you want to, like this, but I like to wear it near to my neck like this. So this is how it looks, you can see. And let me wear the earrings. And the post is very thick, it hurts my ear, guys. You can see the post, how thick this is. Can you see, guys? This is how they look together. This is how they look together. So that was the end of my small collection video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a like, and please don't forget to click that subscribe button. That means a lot to me. Thanks again for watching this video, and see you again in my next one. Bye.